Welcome to the Extreme Health Academy. We were supposed to have a webinar today with me, Justin, and Kate. They couldn't make it. They got caught up. So I'm here to just congratulate everybody on the neurologic challenge that we had and the nervous system. See, the whole purpose of the Extreme Health Academy is to teach you how your body works so that you can be your own doctor. The best doctor is that innate, inborn intelligence. And that's what we're doing with the Extreme Health Academy. So those of you that did the challenge, absolutely share the challenge with your friends and share the results. Because when we talked about how the nervous system works, how the fight or flight, the sympathetic, the rest, digest, and repair, the parasympathetic, how your body responds to the environment, and also how a lot of diseases that are out there aren't really diseases. It has to do with an autonomic imbalance or that autonomic nervous system. We also talked about compressed nerves and how to identify and correct those, how to balance the parasympathetic. So make sure you share the challenge with other people because they could go back and start day one. Because the whole purpose of this, the whole purpose of the Extreme Health Academy is to turn you into your own doctor. And this is being aware that your body has processes, that it has an adaptability, and that a lot of the symptoms that you're told are symptoms on the television aren't really symptoms of a pathology. They're actually an intelligent response of your body to environmental stimulus. This means physical, chemical, and emotional stress all have your body respond. In this academy, we're teaching you how your body responds, what those responses are, and how to balance those responses to maintain optimal health and to reverse disease processes. The 14-day challenge, we had winners, okay? And everybody that gets in this challenge is going to win with the results. But also there's a point system. And I've got to announce the winners because this is really cool. Number one, it was a far infrared sauna. I actually just got mine. Okay, it is incredible. And the winner is Robert Soto. Yes, Robert, you're gonna love it. Make sure you hydrate before you get in there, but detoxing, it's amazing. Winner two, second place, Kirsten Brogan. Kirsten, you won a Slim Manhattan Squatty Potty. I know, I never thought in all of the studying and training, the 9 years of teaching human dissection, the 22 years of practice, my doctorate, all of the additional studies that I would ever say, you just won a Manhattan Squatty Potty. But it works really good. Okay, now, truth be told, we actually have 3 of these at the house, and they're in front of every toilet, and they work really good. Okay, it elevates your legs. Okay, just know that Squatty Potty is a good present or prize. Now, third place, a bottle of SOL CBD oil, and this is a phenomenal antioxidant. The winner is Christopher Harner. Christopher Harner, you are third place. You won the CBD bottle. So those are the winners of the challenge. We're going to have another challenge in April, and it's going to be on digestive system. Just know that these kind of challenges, they're making you aware of problems, but also aware of function and physiology so that your body can renew and regenerate. Also, when you go to the Extreme Health Academy, check out the members hangout. There's so many different forums on there that people who have had challenges and recovered are there. People who have challenges and don't know any avenue to get there. The members hangout is so cool. It's moderated by Justin, Kate. We've got special experts. Michael Bergman's been on there. I'm on there occasionally when I get a chance, but it's so much fun because you've got these people that have had health challenges and they've gone on their different pathways and they've found certain solutions. They're solution-oriented. These are not victims. They are taking charge of your health. So get to that Extreme Health Academy. Join up and get into that members forum, members hangout, and check out the webinars. Share it with your friends, and we're going to make a difference in the world by making a difference here. How do you make a change in the world? You start right here, baby. That's it. I'll see you at the Academy.